I printed up these American Girl hangers previously. Well, those were for a friend's daughter. Well, she also needed a clothes rack. So I designed and put together this. It's modular right now because it's easier to carry. And my printer only prints so tall, so I print as tall as I could. But you just throw it on here. So when he gets it and everything, he'll glue it all together. And there you go. These hang on there nice, just like that. Then I also printed up another one of these with a coupler, so you can extend it out. I haven't tried it to see how sturdy it is. It seems like it'd be pretty solid, and I guess it would just really depend on how much weight these clothes actually weigh, because this is made out of PETG, and this is actually, I think, pretty solid. I think I did like a 65% infill or something like that on it, and 4 walls or something. Something crazy. So, but yeah, printing this up. I think it's a nice little design. It's nothing special.